Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can cancel your TD insurance policy. I'll be reading this directly from the official TD insurance website, so let's get started. You can cancel your TD insurance policy at any time, and TD will refund any remaining premium amount as soon as possible. Here are the ways you can cancel your policy. First option, submit your request through My Insurance. Log in to My Insurance. Once you're logged in, select the Contact Us section at the top of the page, or scroll down and click on the Send a Secure Message link at the very bottom. From the topic drop-down menu, select Cancellation and then follow the steps to submit your request. Second option, call TD Insurance. You can cancel by phone by calling 1-877-777-77136. Third option, submit your request via standard letter mail. Inside your policy documents, you'll find a cancellation form. You can also find this form in the Document Center in My Insurance. Once you've filled out the form, you can send your cancellation request by mail to the address of the supporting office that's listed in your policy documents. Before canceling your policy, it may be a good idea to review other coverages and deductible amounts that could suit you better. You can do this in the TD Insurance app, by logging into My Insurance, or by calling 1-877-777-77136 to speak with an advisor. That way, you don't risk being left accidentally uncovered. And finally, if you'd like to cancel your My Insurance account but still keep your policies, you can call 1-877-758-5942-7. So those are the different ways you can cancel your TD insurance policy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple insurance and finance tutorials.